Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Dental Lovers. Today we are doing one of my most favorite topic, that is the nerve supply of the face. This is the third part of this series. Please do watch the first and the second part. The links are in description below. So let's do it. First, this nerve supply is divided into two parts. One is your cutaneous nerve supply and another one is your motor nerve supply. The cutaneous nerve supply is basically by the fifth cranial nerve, that is your trigeminal nerve. It has further three branches. One is your ophthalmic nerve, maxillary nerve, and the mandibular nerve. Whereas the motor nerve supply is by the seventh cranial nerve, that is your facial nerve. So first we'll talk about the cutaneous nerve supply. So the cutaneous nerve supply will start from here. This is the forehead region. It is supplied by a supraorbital nerve, then the supratrochlear nerve, right? The nose region, which is supplied by a infratrochlear nerve, the external nasal nerve, and the lacrimal nerve supplies the eye region, right? These all are the branches of your ophthalmic nerve, which is further the branch of trigeminal nerve. That is the fifth cranial nerve, right? Next, this region, this is the cheek region. First is the infraorbital nerve, which supplies the area just below your eye and comes out of an infraorbital foramen in this region. Then the zygomaticotemporal nerve and the zygomaticofacial nerve. The zygomaticotemporal supplies this region and the zygomaticofacial supplies this portion of your face coming out of its respective zygomaticofacial foramen. Now talking about this region, this is supplied by a mandibular nerve, right? Here, this branch just in front of your ear, this one. This is the auriculotemporal nerve, right? This supplies a area just in front of auricle and the temporal region. Whereas this nerve is the buccal nerve, which gives the cutaneous innervation in this region. So this nerve coming out of this foramen is a mental nerve, which supplies a chin region. So this is whole the nerve supply in front of your auricle, which is supplied by the various branches of the fifth cranial nerve. Now talking about the various branching behind the auricle, it is mainly supplied by the auricular branch of vagus nerve, then the greater occipital nerve. This is the greater occipital nerve, which is supplying from this back portion till the highest point of your head. Then the third occipital nerve, the fourth, fifth, and sixth, and the seventh one present here. So these all are the branches of the median branch of posterior rami of cervical spinal nerve, supply this neck portion. Now various nerves which supplying this portion is going from this region towards upward is your lesser occipital nerve, branch of C2. Then this nerve is the greater auricular nerve, which is a branch of C2 and C3. Transverse cervical nerve supplying this area of your neck, right? And the supraclavicular nerve, which is a branch of C3 and 4, which further divided into three branches and supply the lower portion of your neck, right? So all of these branches, which actually supplies the, or we can say the cutaneous innervation of the neck, is given by these all branches of the cervical plexus. Please do remember the cervical plexus. Now talking about the motor supply of your face. So the motor supply of the face is supplied by the seventh cranial nerve, that is the facial nerve. The facial nerve comes out of the parotid gland and gives its 5 terminal branches just in front of your ear. So let's see what are all that branches. So first one is your first it got divided into the two main trunks. One is your temporofacial trunk, another one is your cervicofacial trunk. The temporofacial trunk further got divided into the two parts. One is your temporal branch supplying your forehead region, the temporal region. Second one is your zygomatic branch supplying the zygomatic region. Then the cervicofacial trunk further got divided into three branches. One is the buccal, which got divided into the upper buccal and the lower buccal. So the upper buccal supplies the upper part of your lip in this region, and the lower buccal supplies your lower lip and the lower portion here. Then the marginal mandibular nerve, which supplies the mandible region, gives the motor supply to the muscle present in this region. And finally, the cervical nerve, which supplies your neck portion, right?